Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change username on the TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Firstly, open the TikTok application. So after this you can see profile at the bottom right corner. Click on profile. After this you can see edit profile. So click on edit profile. So after this you can see username, so click on username, and here you can see your username. So from here you can also change your username. So you can see this username is existed. So after selecting the username, so you can see save option, so click on save, and then you can see here you can change your username once every 30 days. So if you want to confirm to change, so then click on set username. So you can see username is changed. So after 30 days you can also change it again. So guys, after if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.